Two young football talents from Mawlong Ripoy district have been selected to undergo training at the Sporto Soccer Club Residential Academy in Wayanad, Kerala. Refinement Rinshong, aged 14, and Balawanpai Matong, aged 14, will receive intensive coaching from seasoned professionals over a span of 4 years, alongside pursuing their academic studies. Nongpo MLA Meral Bonsiam extended his congratulations to these promising athletes and presented them with a cash reward of Rs 25,000 to support their journey.
Kini arbot ki har kabrit ki de wala sha select ka way laki academy ki ba pau po bari ki juni Sporto Soccer Residential Academy kabadan hanti hapo Wayanad hapo kejela Kerala kila syajid kepang atau trial kabada penlong hapo ngene kadang thai ki juni kaba kila syajid na kabata bandit ban tentibit bandit kai football hagaju football na kabata ban pendet ki pule ki.
The biggest bedding clown festival in Giant Hills district, organized by